Hello guys, welcome to Ruru's Kitchen. Today let's make churros. So go in with 1.5 cup of milk, then add the tolerance. Make sure it is well add. The next thing we are going to add is sugar. Go in with sugar and salt. Add your vanilla and mix until it is well mixed and combined together. Make sure the sugar and the salt, vanilla, they are well dissolved. Go in with groundnut oil and butter. Mix until the butter, groundnut oil, they are well mixed and combined together until the butter is dissolved properly. Then after enough mixing, the next thing we are going to go in with is our all-purpose flour that is already filtered. Make sure that your flour is filtered. Then add this step by step until the dough is combined together. Just make sure it is well mixed and combined together just like this. Then the next thing we are going to do is to transfer it into our bowl. Transfer it into your bowl. Go in with 2 eggs. Add your 2 eggs and mix it thoroughly. Mix it with your spatula. If your spatula is not giving you what you want, you have to wash your hand and mix it thoroughly. This homemade churros tastes so amazing. Guys, it tastes so amazing, so yummy, and so easy to grab. Go and try this homemade churros. Then after enough mixing, this is the consistency we are going for. Then set it aside and we are going to use our water bottle to press it out. Divide the water bottle into 2. Then you make sure that your knife is hot. It's already hot in the gas. Then use your knife to give it that beautiful shape you want. Then after enough cutting, this is the consistency we are going for. Transfer your dough into the water bottle and this is how we are going to be pressing it out. Make sure it is well arranged thoroughly. By that time, our oil was already on the fire. Then we'll begin to cut it and begin to dump it inside the hot oil. Cut it thoroughly. Make sure it is well cut and nice. Guys, this cheese rolls was so amazing. It was so yummy. Guys, this still go with the name. Cheese rolls. So easy to grab and eat, guys. So after enough cutting, this is the consistency we are going for. As you can see, it's ready. What you have to do is to dig it out of the hot oil and repeat the same process until you are done with the cheese rolls, guys. So after that, then bring it out and repeat the same process. They take it out. As you can see, our cheese rolls is ready to eat and ready to grab and eat, guys. So what are you waiting for? Follow me on my Facebook page, my YouTube channel, subscribe, and also give me some like. Drop your comment and tell me where you are watching from. So guys, let me show you the inside of our cheese rolls. So yummy, so amazing. Can you see? It looks so yummy, so simple. Remain blessed and stay tuned. Bye.